Everybody asks me, what is the nutrient and carbon cycle? That's actually a great question. You can Google it and you can find out. What you're going to see is a big arrows moving around in a circle, and it's going to show that a cow excreting nutrients and a crop growing and a human eating products and then everything being disposed of and utilized, right? So we don't have a very good cycle. People need to understand that nutrients are not made from thin air, right? We don't, nitrogen is, I will go with that, but nitrogen is about the only one, right? The rest of them, phosphorus, potassium, a lot of those, they're all nutrients that are harvested from somewhere and moved to our location to be used. We should look at the nutrient system as more of a, we borrow these nutrients, we don't buy them. We're renting them. We're renting nutrients from somewhere else, we're utilizing it, we're applying it to the fields. So when we eat food, right, what are we trying to get? We're trying to nourish our bodies with protein. Protein's nitrogen. We're trying to nourish our bodies with potassium, phosphate, calcium, all those things. That's what we're trying to get out of our food. Those nutrients are harvested from the soil. We don't understand that, but they're harvested from the soil. We use them. We borrow them in our bodies and we grow our bones and we do whatever. And at the end of the day, when all of us are gone, our bodies are still nutrient. Right? That's just how it works. Everything that's living in this planet has borrowed nutrients for the next generation.